the rabbit, the turtle, and the owl. Once upon a time, rabbits, turtles, and owls lived on a hill in Ura, nearly central Wakayama Prefecture. One day, a rabbit and a turtle had a race, and an owl flying in the sky took charge of the referee. Why oh I don't. At the owl's signal, the rabbit and the tortoise ran out, banging and banging. Yes, sir, a rabbit will not lose to a turtle, the owl said from the sky, as the rabbit running ahead almost reached the finish line. Mr. Rabbit, Mr. Turtle has already reached the finish line. What? I can't believe such a stupid thing. The rabbit rushed into the finish line in a hurry, and the tortoise at the end was wiping away his sweat. No way. How could a rabbit ever lose to a turtle? The rabbit fought the turtle once more, but lost again. Wah! I lost to the turtle. The hare was so sad that she kept crying under the shade of a tree in the hill. And he rubbed his eyes so hard that his eyes turned red. Then God appeared and called out to the rabbit. This is a rabbit, don't weep now. You were taken in by an owl and a turtle. The turtle that ran with you turned back in the mountains, and the turtle that was waiting across the hill rushed in first. Then God caught two turtles. You fool! He patted her on the back with a cane. And the turtle's back was covered with cracks. Then God caught the owl. You good for nothing. He patted the owl on the eye with his wand. And the owl was blind only at night. The end.